This is a quick overview of Lloyd's attestation solution offered by Covey Analytics. Our out-of-the-box solution comes preloaded with suggested controls against each of the minimum standards requirements of Lloyd's. All suggested controls come preloaded into Covey's application. To get started, the compliance team simply update the existing controls library, tailoring the suggested controls to the business needs. Once updated, these controls are ready to be shared with the business, who can provide updates to the controls in just a few clicks, attaching the necessary evidence supporting their assessment. Reviewing the controls assessments supporting Lloyd's attestation has never been easier, and preparing the reporting templates for Lloyd's takes just a click. To find out more, book a demo today.